Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Salama Samoa, I'm Jack Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skills, culture, and of course, my Texas. Wa'ualia.
In Samoa, we understand that time is precious, and we want to help you save more of it. With the Digicel MyCash app, you can now top up your smart meter and purchase prepaid power from the comfort of your home or office. One of the key highlights of this initiative is that families overseas who are currently using the MyCash app to send money from overseas can now send money to their loved ones in Samoa to purchase Cashpower instantly on their phones. Who doesn't like that? Someone else paying your power from New Zealand or Australia, even America. They can do this at any time of the day from anywhere using your app. The new service is a great advantage for rural families also, as it eliminates the need to travel long distances to an EPC outlet to buy power. With the Digicel MyCash app, customers can avoid long queues and the hassle of power shortages during emergencies, even after regular business hours. The app's easy-to-use interface and seamless integration with EPC's power infrastructure provides an efficient experience for customers. I'll just share with you my story of my experience with the MyCash app and EPC top-up. And I live in Ulululoa, and I'm on the Cashpower as well, manual meter. And on Saturday night, after the event that we went home at about 10:30, I checked the meter, I had 7 kilowatts of power left. But the Farmer Joe's is closed. So it was a great opportunity for me to use the app to top up my power and get a token without having to worry about if we're going to run out of power during the night. Especially the All Blacks was on, so it was important that I had power. So I just wanted to share that experience, how easy it was for me, and hopefully people in Samoa will see the benefit as well. I think the biggest benefit, one of my staff asked us when we had a training, what's the biggest benefit of this? I said, the biggest benefit is your uncle from New Zealand can pay for your power. They can top up your MyCash from New Zealand, and then you can just pay your power, right? And we all love that when someone else pays our power. I want to thank EPC's General Manager, Faumui, for his foresight and vision that led to this milestone achievement. Loa Fionga, whakataite le lava to you and your team for trusting Digicel with this significant advancement and initiative. We are excited about the innovative solution developed in partnership with EPC. We know that this is the beginning of a series of initiatives aimed at boosting business growth for the betterment of our people. I look forward to close relationship with EPC to ensure both our organizations work together to serve our people by improving our standards of living and ensuring no one gets left behind in this time of digital advancement and change. In closing, I want to thank you all for being here today to be part of this significant event. Mawhitai, Maia Manuia.
Taile tonga la mo matua no ele ta pena mo matua be sino matu ya ai ta ki mo lia no ya mo na mo le no fa ta mo le to ga mo senti ni ta ya ana bi e to o pa ia mo mo ta tu sino matu ni te o le go mo na ai lang no ta tonga la so ya mo to pa ti to sala ya to mo ko le wa la to fa to ta sile ai le ya no ta wa ya mo le na fa tai. This is a very good initiative for not only for EPC but for the EPC consumers. and all the people of Samoa, the convenient for le whai na whatawinga ia le taupa api ara ia o le hangainga na liwa ia le whatau i le technology le ua ia tamana tua hule le navia experience hule tamana tua mata le tafule lo back to the future o le focus o le nata atu o le transportation sector o le ngamo i tamata ia na developing ale ia le ata o le lumanai o le communication ia lau tatu mo mawina layers. It's not really transportation, but o le communications o le whamaina o technology i ona benefit tau so this initiative by Digicel, we welcome this initiative and we are thankful for Anthony, for Digicel. This is a good platform for customers, for EPC customers. Once again, thank you very much. I'm really good.
Sila po. Yeah, mamay mo ay is advertisement may mo na tapin. Yeah, wale defend and how see yes about to sell PC. About 25 por mole dos pin kaya na luwa sumay pa
EPC Cashpower, whamaai le My Cash app ma le Digicel. Download la My Cash, i whiri le hoa, o omi le bill payments. Whatau roa ki retail le Cashpower, le EPC, whamaai la My Cash. Easy.
Cashpower masih
ya tele no van si spendela sampai no bayar market ki awak foi le pak la bilo no le chacho le le mo si yas ya tu boleh lah.
po kere camera ba ba ye ta wa mo kaya so ya ko mo po ay mo may po ay na sa ito mai ina iya just ya ile ba yung to mo yang ina sila
Ya, memora estamar Digicel. Okay. Yep, quiero my light even more. Okay. Okay.
ya masih jangan wa sa spasa sila ka mo na na
Yeah.
ya macam no time sa ya kasi po ta so
You see it, Digicel? On the money.